Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today we are making Snickerdoodles. These cookies are soft, buttery, chewy and perfectly paired with a glass of milk. In a bowl, sift together 340 grams all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons baking powder, and half teaspoon of salt and set aside. In another bowl, cream together 230 grams butter with 200 grams granulated sugar until pale yellow, about 2 to 3 minutes. Separately beat 2 eggs and incorporate them in the butter mixture. Add the flour mixture half a cup at a time until the dough is formed. The dough should be a little bit sticky, but don't worry, because as soon as you'll wash your hands, it's very easy to work with it. In a separate small bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of cinnamon with 100 grams granulated sugar. The last step is to form the Snickerdoodle cookies. Shape 1 tablespoon of dough into a ball and roll it in the cinnamon sugar. Continue with the rest until you finish all the dough. Place the balls on an ungreased baking sheet and using your fingers, press them a little bit on top. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Serve them with a glass of milk. I hope you'll try this recipe, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bon appetit!